Hi kids, welcome back. Watercolors. Kids, let's learn colors name. Orange color, red color, pink color, purple color, green color, light green color, brown color, violet color, black color, yellow color, sky blue color and blue color. किड्स इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे ए फॉर एप्पल, बी फॉर बॉल, सी फॉर कैट, डी फॉर डॉग, ई फॉर ईगल, एफ फॉर फिश, जी फॉर गॉट, एच फॉर हॉर्स, आई फॉर igloo, J for juice, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for octopus. Let's trace. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for eagle, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for juice, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.